There are a few different tools that can be used for reverse engineering. Now these tools are not only for iOS and disassemble iOS applications. Most of them actually can be used for reverse engineering other applications, operating systems, and even used by security researchers to reverse engineer malware. By far, one of the most popular disassembler out there is IDA Pro. It is used by many security researchers, many security professionals, but the problem is actually it's not free and it's actually quite expensive. Now another tool is Hopper. It is not free, and it allows you to disassemble and perform static analysis of executable files and applications. Now another simple yet useful tool is actually the Object File Display Tool or O tool that actually comes with the Mac OS X by default, and you can actually pour it over to a few Linux distributions. Okay? Now one last tool that I want to share with you is a tool called Flex, which is a set of application or debugging tools or functionality for an iOS development. You can actually download it from the GitHub repository that I am showing on the screen.